Europe is full of unforgettable landscapes, soaring mountains, sparkling lakes, medieval towns, and winding coastlines. And sometimes the best way to witness it all is not by car or plane, but from the window of a slow, scenic train. Today, let's take a journey through 10 of the most breathtaking train routes in Europe, each offering its own magical slice of the continent. Number 1. The Glacier Express, Switzerland. Called the slowest express train in the world, the Glacier Express takes you across 291 bridges, 91 tunnels, and deep Alpine valleys. From Zermatt to St. Moritz, every turn feels like stepping into a real-life postcard, glittering snowfields, dramatic cliffs, and the famous Landwasser Viaduct. Number 2. The Bernina Express, Switzerland to Italy. This UNESCO-listed route weaves from the Swiss Alps to the Italian town of Tirano. The train climbs through icy glaciers, then descends into sunny vineyards. The red carriages against white snow have become iconic, a true European classic. Number 3. The Flåm Railway, Norway. One of Europe's steepest train lines takes you from Myrtle to Flem, dropping through 20 tunnels and past thundering waterfalls. At every moment, Norway's raw, dramatic beauty surrounds you. Deep fjords, moss-covered cliffs, and tiny villages clinging to the mountainsides. Number 4. The West Highland Line, Scotland. This legendary journey takes you across moorlands, lochs, and rugged highlands. The highlight? Crossing the Glenfinnan Viaduct, yes, the same bridge made famous by the Harry Potter films. The blend of mystery, wilderness, and history is pure Scottish magic. Number 5. Cinque Terre Railway, Italy. Connecting the 5 colorful fishing villages along the Ligurian coast, this short but stunning route hugs the cliffs above the Mediterranean Sea. One moment you're in a tunnel, the next you're overlooking brilliant blue waters and pastel houses clinging to rocks. Number 6. The Rhine Valley Line, Germany. A fairy tale route lined with castles, vineyards, and river bends. As the train follows the Rhine River, you'll pass stone fortresses perched on hills and charming towns that look untouched by time. Number 7. The Inlandsbanan, Sweden. A summer-only train that cuts through the untouched wilderness of northern Sweden. Expect forests, lakes, reindeer crossing the tracks, and endless sunlight if you go in midsummer. Number 8. The Douro Valley Line, Portugal. This scenic line winds along the Douro River, famous for its terraced vineyards and golden hillsides. In autumn, the colors are spectacular. It's one of the most peaceful and romantic train rides in Europe. Number 9. The Brenner Railway, Austria to Italy. A historic Alpine route that crosses the Brenner Pass. Sweeping mountain views, charming Tyrolean villages, and dramatic cliffs make this a dream journey between North and South Europe. Number 10. The Mariazelerbahn, Austria. Europe's oldest narrow-gauge railway winds through forests, valleys, and mountain passes. Its cozy wooden seats and slow pace make the ride feel like traveling through another era. What's your favorite European train journey? Have you taken any of these routes, or do you dream about one of them? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more amazing travel stories from around the world.